That's how I like it. You know what? I want you to, I want everybody to put a finger in the air like this for the man that taught me all the soul that I have, majority of it. This next man played a part in my life. You know what I mean? And it's like, I will forever and ever love him.
Yeah.
You ready?
Me too.
Is you ready?
Put him up high.
You ready?
In the back, we see y'all. Put him up high. We in the building, man.
Hold on.